Hey everyone,
Hey.
welcome to ScreenPipe new episode. Today we're going to talk about like another app built on top of ScreenPipe. Let me tell you a story. So originally when we started the project, we kind of got inspired by one company that did amazing product and then pivoted into something else. And that company is Rewind. So they basically created like this software where you can go back in time on your computer, right? And then they pivoted into like a wearable device and they left thousands of users stranded on the internet without any product support. So a lot of users were really frustrated. They still are frustrated. They basically paying for the dead product. So they are looking for alternative. But there were non-alternatives available in the market, especially non-open source alternative. And it's very important to have an open source product since you are like recording all your personal data and you really care where the data goes and how it's stored and like what happens to it. So we decided we're going to build ourselves. And it works out. But how exactly it works? Louis, can you walk us through? Correct?
Yeah, so ScreenPipe records your screen and extracts text locally on your computer. It also records audio and transcribes your voice and also identifies speakers all the time. And with this Rewind app, you can just like Rewind, scroll over your screen and meetings like audio transcriptions, conversation you had with anybody, and use AI to ask any questions about your screen history.
Oh, so it's like a time machine.
Yeah.
So you can scroll back in time. And how does the interface look like? Can you show us an example of how you...
Yeah. So as you can see, you can scroll back in your screen history and see everything you've seen on your screen, and also like transcriptions and meetings you had, conversations.
So it looks like a YouTube video where there is an infinite scroll and you can scroll back as much as you... And what are those like small ribbons down there?
Yeah, so each of these are like the different apps you used throughout your day.
Oh, so there is an icon at the top. In the top line, it represents the software that you used. And then there is a chunk, the one that is selected at the moment. And then there is a screenshot that represents this chunk. Is there audio as well?
Yeah, like you see when there is this small icon, you can see there is like audio.
Can you play it?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, it makes sense. I mean, you're not going to listen to like 24 hours of audio. You don't need that. You need the context to put the context into LLM. It's not like for humans to go through.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just too much data. Just, AI now is able to take like your week of data, ScreenPipe data, and you can ask specific questions and get a specific answer in seconds.
Oh, you mean like you can ingest a week worth of your work inside one chat?
Yes. And this is just
a lot of data.
This is just going to be better. Every week there is a new AI model.
Wait, on YouTube, if you like download a video like which is like 1 hour long, it's going to be like 1 gigabyte. A 1 week worth of data must be like a terabyte.
No, we're very efficient. It's just 30 gigabytes a month.
Wait a second. 30 gigabytes a month of recordings? Like let's say you record 8 hours a day, 30 days a week, 30 days a month, and it's just 30 gigabytes? How is it possible?
Yeah, we just use very efficient compression algorithm, and it's 100% on your computer, safe, and like very small storage.
A lot of Rust low code programming here.
Yeah, and so during this day, I was writing a mail for 1 hour, and then it crashed, and I lost my mail. And so I opened Rewind, and I selected like this time range, and asked AI to give me the email back.
Wait a second. So every chunk here, you select every chunk as a context for the chat. It's like as if you're uploading a PDF document to a ChatGPT, right?
Yeah, that's exactly like this, yeah.
Okay, so you can use your screen data as a context LLM to ChatGPT. Can you upload it to ChatGPT?
You can use ChatGPT through ScreenPipe.
I see.
Or Gemini or Anthropic.
Which model is?
So today we're going to use the new Google model, which is Gemini 2.0 Flash Light Preview. You can also use models on your computer, like Ulama, like DeepSeek R1, or any models like this.
Nice. Let's see if it works.
Because this is
Oh, nice. So it pretty much extracted the actual newsletter that you were writing at the time and that you lost. It, based on the screen recordings, it extracted exactly this email.
yeah.
Nice. And can you ask like, summarize like what I did? Period of time, or like just can you ask any question?
Yeah.
Can you give me an example of a question? Like, can you ask like summarize the tasks that I was doing? Hour. Nice. Nice. So it actually understands that you were writing a newsletter, you were reviewing the statistics in the Stripe account for the financial transactions, for the revenue that we had, and it also pulls up the it noticed that we pulled up the details from like our community, and it also mentions the enterprise clients that we work with. Huh. Wow. Is it live?
Yeah, it's live. You can download it today.
Oh, how much?
It's only $20 a month, same as ChatGPT, and you can use AI unlimited.
Good deal. Thanks a lot for watching.